I want to thank Ben Sound for the music, and you can visit the music at www.bensound.com. Hello friends, we have came with yet another video on public service commissions, and this video will be very much helpful for the civil engineering aspirants. This video comprises of the objective questions with solutions that were previously asked in the public service commissions. And if you are new to this channel, you can like, share and subscribe this video as well. So let us start the video. Friends, we will be continuing the remaining questions from 51 to 100 in the public service commission old question solutions. Okay, so our question number 51 is: another aim of e-procurement is increased choice of supplier leading to sourcing item. Option A is of the right quality, option B is delivered at the right time, option C is from the right source, and option D is at the right price. So the correct answer of another aim of e-procurement is increased choice of the supplier leading to sourcing item from the right source. That is option C will be the correct answer. So let us move to question number 52. The age of the member of State Assembly B. Option A is completed the age of 25 years. Option B is completed the age of 20 years. Option C no age bar, and option D none of the above. So the age of the member of the State Assembly B completed the age of 25 years. That is option A will be our correct answer. Friend, let us go to question number 53. So in question number 53, the action or behavior of an individual in a particular society is concerned with wrong, good or bad is called what? So our option A is skill, option B is profession, option C is ethics, and option D is service. So friend, the action or behavior of an individual in a particular society is concerned with wrong, good or bad is the ethics. So option C will be our correct answer. Let us move to question number 54. In question number 54, pre-qualification should be done while the amount of the procurement or construction work is to be carried out. Option A more than 6 million, option B more than 5 million, option C less than 6 million, and option D less than 5 million. So the pre-qualification should be done while the amount of procurement or construction work to be carried out more than 6 million. That is option A will be our correct answer. Let us move to question number 55. The type of contract when the payment shall be made for the actual work done as the site is. Option A will be the unit rate contract, option B will be material contract, option C is PT contract, and option D is all of the above. So friend, the type of contract when the payment shall be made for the actual work done at the site is unit rate contract. That is option A. Question number 56. According to the Labor Act, the maximum working hour for a labor for week should be. Option A is 44 hours, option B is 49 hours, option C is 48 hours, option D is 52 hours. So friend, according to the Labor Act, the maximum working hour for a labor for week should be 48 hours. That is option C will be our correct answer. Let us move to question number 57. 57 number question is: the total number of members in Nepal Engineering Council is. Option A 18, option B 15, option C 12, option D 9. So the total number of members in Nepal Engineering Council is option A, that is 18 numbers. Question number 58. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A is: the change in the amount of money over the given time period is called the time value of money. The manifestation of the time value of money is termed as interest. This is option B. Option C, interest on borrowing is equals to present amount owned original loan, and option D is all of the above. So friend, these all ABC statements are true, so the correct answer will be our D. So all of the above is the correct answer of this question. Let us move to question number 59. The change in any parameter of the project due to the change in any factor is called option A, sensitivity, option B, resistivity, option C, variation, and option D, captivity. So friend, the change in any parameter of the project due to the change in any factor is called sensitivity. That is option A. Question number 60. Inflation is normal phenomenon in which normal price of the object is raised. Option A. Option B is normal price of the object is decreased. Option C, normal price of the object is constant, and option D, none of the above. So friend, inflation is the normal phenomenon in which the normal price of the object is raised. So option A will be our correct answer. Question number 61. The benefit cost ratio is directly proportional to discount rate. Option B, inversely proportional to discount rate. Option C is no any relation with discount rate, and option D is all of the above. So friends, the benefit cost ratio is inversely proportional to the discount rate. That is option B will be the correct answer here. So the selection of the correct interest rate is very crucial in calculating the reasonable benefit cost ratio for the project. This is the explanation of this question. Question number 62. Discounting is the process of A, determining the future value of cash flow. Option B is the determining the present value of cash flow. Option C is finding equal periodic payments, and option D is reducing equal periodic payments. So friend, the discounting process is determining the present value of the cash flow. That is option B will be the correct answer. Discounting is the process of determining the present value of the payment or a stream of payment that is to be received in future. Given the time value of money, a dollar is worth more today than it would be worth tomorrow. Discounting is the primary factor used in pricing a stream of tomorrow's cash flow. Question number 63. Break-even analysis is the limited form of A, sensitivity analysis, B is cost analysis, C is benefit analysis, and D is interest analysis. So friend, the break-even analysis is the limited form of sensitivity analysis. So option B will be option A, that is sensitivity analysis, will be the correct answer here. Let us move to question number 64. Surveys which are carried out to provide a national grid of control for the preparation of accurate maps of large areas are known as option A is plain survey, option B is geodetic survey, option C is geographical survey, and option D is topographical survey. So the surveys which are carried out to provide a national grid of control for the preparation of accurate maps of large areas are known as geodetic survey. That is option 2 will be the correct answer here. Question number 65. The most commonly used set of theodolite operations are option A is right face and right swing, option B is right face and left swing, option C is left face and left swing, and option D is left face and right swing. So friend, the most commonly theodolite operation used is left face and left swing. So left face and left swing is the most commonly used operation of the theodolite. That is option C will be the correct answer. Question number 66. The technique of plotting all the accessible stations with the single set of plane table is called what? So option A is radiation, option B is intersection, option C is resection, and option D is traversing. So the technique of plotting all the accessible stations with the help of single set of plane table is called the radiation, and it is very accurate method of traversing. Very accurate method used in plane table surveying. So intersection is just suitable for mountains and undulating areas, and traversing is suitable for congested areas like town forest, and traversing is the combination of radiation and intersection, where resection is that with the help of resection, locations of already plotted seat can be located. Okay, so resection with the help of locations already been plotted on seat, the location of the station occupied is determined. That is called resection. Question number 67. The example of level surface is surface of the earth, option A. Option B is surface of the sea. Option C, surface of the steel lake, and option D, surface of the reservoir. So friends, the example of the level surface is surface of the steel lake. That is option C will be the correct answer. Question number 68. At the equator, the amount of dip is what? Option A 0 degree, option B 45 degree, option C 60 degree, and option D is 90 degree. So friends, at the equator, the amount of dip is 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree at the equator and 90 degree at the magnetic north and the south pole. So at equator 0 degree and at poles that is always 90 degree. This dip is the vertical angle, and whenever you are asked about isoclinic line, it's the line joining the equal dip, that is isoclinic line. Okay, equal dip is the isoclinic line. Question number 69. Reciprocal leveling eliminates option A collumination error, option B collumination, curvature and refraction error, option C curvature and refraction error, and option D collumination and curvature error fully and refraction error partly. So friends, reciprocal leveling eliminates collumination and curvature error fully, but it is unable to fully eliminate the refraction error. So only a part of the refraction error is corrected. So collumination and curvature error fully and the refraction error partly will be the correct answer. The elimination of the error due to the refraction depends upon the change in the climatic conditions during the transfer of the instrument. So it is able to just eliminate a portion of the refraction error. Okay. Question number 70. A chain may be elongated due to option A change in the temperature, option B difference in pull, option C opening of rings, and option D is kinks in links. So friends, a chain may be elongated due to the opening of rings. That is option C will be the correct answer here. Question number 71. Determining the difference in elevation between the 2 points on the surface of the earth is known as what? Option A is Abney leveling, option B is simple leveling, option C is differential leveling, and option D is longitudinal leveling. So friends, determining the difference in elevation between the 2 points on the surface of the earth is known as differential leveling. That is option C will be the correct answer here. Question number 72. One plane projection is oblique projection, option A, option B axonometric projection, option C both A and B of the above, that is oblique projection and axonometric projection, and option D none of the above. So friends, one plane projection is the combination of oblique projection and axonometric projection. That is option C will be the correct answer here. As it shows 3 so this axonometric and the oblique projection is also known as one projection, one plane projection, because 3 sides of the image, object image, is shown in one projection. Question number 73. In case of orthographic projection, the number of views used are what? 5, option A, option B 7, option C 6, option D 3. So friends, in the case of orthographic projections, the number of views used are 6. That is option C will be the correct answer here. Question number 74. A circle is in axiometric projection appears as line, option A, option B ellipse, option C circle, option D plane. So friends, a circle is in axiometric projection appears as ellipse. That is option B will be the correct answer here. Question number 75. An engineer scale would be used to measure lines on the drawing where the scale factor reads option A 1/4 inch equals to 1 feet, 1/8 inch equals to 1 feet, 1 inch equals to 100 feet, and option D 3/4 inch equals to 1 feet. So an engineer scale would use to measure lines on the drawing where the scale factor reads 1 inch equals to 100 feet. So option C will be the correct answer here. Question number 76. Circles and arcs are drawn by means of option A lengthening bar, option B divider, option C T squares, and option D compass. So friends, circles and arcs are drawn by means of compass. Option D will be the correct answer here. Question number 77. In the first angle projection, the right side view must be drawn on what? So option A is right side, option B is left side, option C is top side, and option B is none of the above. So friends, the first angle projection, in the first angle projection, the right side view must be drawn on the left side, isn't it? First angle projection is that projection in which top view is below the front view and right side view should be drawn in the left side, and vice versa. Question number 78. A circle in isometric projections appears as option A is circle, option B is parabola, option C is ellipse, and option D is a point. So friends, a circle in isometric projections appears as ellipse. Option C will be the correct answer here. Question number 79. In the case of orthographic projection, the number of views generally used are option A 2, option B 6, option C 4, option D 8. So friends, in the case of orthographic projections, the number of views used are 6. That is option B will be the correct answer. Let us move to question number 80. Axonometric projection is orthographic, option A, option B perspective, option C isometric, and option D multi-view. So friends, axonometric projection is orthographic projection. So option A will be the correct answer here. Axonometric projection is a type of orthographic projection used for creating a pictorial drawing of an object where the lines of sight are perpendicular to the plane of projection and the object is rotated around one or more of its axes to reveal the multiple sides. Question number 81. Isometric projection, all distances are approximately this percentage of their size. Option A is 120%, option B 80%, option C is 50%, and option D 20%. So friend, isometric projection, all distances are approximately 80% of their size. That is option B will be the correct answer here. Question number 82. The paper size of A4 in mm is what? Option A is 297 mm by 420 mm. Option B 210 mm by 297 mm. Option C 215 mm by 290 mm. Option D 420 mm by 850 mm. So friends, the paper size of A4 in mm is always 210 by 297 mm. Now let us move to question number 83. In isometric projection, the receding lines are drawn with horizontal at option A is 45 degree, option B is 30 degree, option C is 60 degree, and option D is 90 degree. So friends, in isometric projection, the receding lines are drawn with horizontal at 30 degree. That is option B will be the correct answer here. Let us move to question number 84. Specification of the whole fast are given in the terms of what? So our options is A option number, in option B is in weight, option C in volume, and option D in length. So friends, the specification of the whole fast are given in terms of number. So option A will be the correct answer here. Let us move to question number 85. In the case of roof truss made of steel, rivets, bolts, and nuts usually accounts for option A 1%, option B 5%, option C 10%, and option D 15%. So friends, in the case of roof truss made of the steel, rivets, bolts, and nuts, that accounts for 5%. That is option B equals to 5% will be the correct answer here. Question number 86. Now, in question number 86, we have the unit of measurement per quintal for the following. Is A is collapsible gates with rail, B is rolling shutter, C is the expanded metal with wire netics, and D is main steel reinforcement of RCC work. So the unit of measurement in per quintal is of main steel reinforcement of RCC work. So option. Question number 87. For 100 square meter cement concrete of 1:2:4 having 4 cm thick floor, quantity of cement required is what? So we need to estimate the quantity of cement required in 100 square meter cement concrete of 1:2:4 having 4 cm thickness of floor. So option A is 0.90 cubic meter, option B is 0.94 cubic meter, option C is 0.98 cubic meter, and option D is 1 cubic meter. So friend, for this we need to calculate the volume of the wet concrete. So the answer is 0.90 cubic meter. So we shall do the solution of this. The weight volume of this concrete is 100 into 0.04, that is 4 centimeter, and this value comes out to be 4 cubic meter is the volume of the wet concrete. But we need to calculate the volume of the dry concrete. So to get the dry concrete, we generally multiply it with 1.54, that is we add 54% extra to the volume of the wet concrete. So the volume of the dry concrete is 1.54 into the 4, that is wet concrete volume. So this comes out to be 6.16, and the quantity of the cement required is 1/7 into the dry volume. So 1 is the one part of the cement, and the 7 is the total proportion of the mix, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4, that is 7 part. So this comes out to be 0.88. So that is very much approximately nearly equals to 0.90. So 0.90 will be the correct answer here. Question number 88. Working out the exact quantities of various items of work is known as option A estimating, option B mensuration, option C quantity surveying, and option D valuation. So friends, working out the exact quantities of various items of work is known as quantity surveying. So option C will be the correct answer, isn't it? Exact quantity is quantity surveying, and if there is approximate estimation, that is the estimating, isn't it? Question number 89. The gradual reduction in the value of the property with age is called as option A devaluation, option B revaluation, option C depreciation, and option D appreciation. So friends, the gradual reduction in the value of the property with age is known as depreciation. Option C will be the correct answer. Let us move to question number 90. Central line method of estimation is mostly useful for option A culvert works, option B building works, option C bridge work, and option D all of the above. So friends, the central line method of estimation is generally used for building works, that is option B will be the correct answer here. This method is suitable used for estimating circular, rectangular, hexagonal, or octagonal shaped buildings. Question number 91. The weight of an item is measured correct to nearest option A 0.25 kg, option B 0.5 kg, option C 0.75 kg, and option D 1 kg. So friends, the weight of the item is measured correct to nearest to 1 kg, that is option D will be the correct answer here. Let us move to question number 92. The earliest method used for planning a project was A is POT method, B is CPM, C is bar chart, and D is the milestone chart. So friend, the earliest method for the planning of the project was the bar chart. Option C will be the correct answer here. Let us move to question number 93. The amount required to be deposited by the contractor while submitting a tender is known as fixed deposit, option B caution deposit, option C security deposit, and option D earnest money deposit. So friend, the amount required to be deposited by the contractor while submitting a tender is known as earnest money deposit, isn't it? This earnest money deposit is a deposit which the tenderers have to make along with the submission of the tenders for showing their earnest for undertaking the job spelled out in the tender notice. If the party withdraws its tender before the date of the validity, such earnest money deposit would be forfeited. Security deposit, on the other hand, is the amount which has to be deposited by the successful parties after their tenders are accepted and this is for the purpose of securing the performance from the parties after the job is awarded to them. Question number 94. Resource smoothing means option A, gradual increase in resources, option B, adjustment of the resources to the least variation, option C, complete revamping of the resources to suit the requirement, and option D, optimization and economical utilization of resources. So friend, resource smoothing means adjustment of the resource to the least variation. Option B will be the correct answer here. Question number 95. If A is the optimistic time, B is the pessimistic time, and M is the most likely time, then the average time is calculated as option A plus B plus M by 3, option B, A plus B plus M by 6, option C, A plus 4M plus 2B by 6, and option D, A plus 4M plus B by 6. So friends, this average time that is given by formula A plus 4M plus B by 6. So option D will be the correct answer. So it is the sum of the optimistic time and the pessimistic time and 4 times the most likely time divided by 6. Question number 96. The critical activity has maximum float, option A, option B minimum float, option C 0 float, and option D none of the above. So friends, the critical activity should have 0 float, isn't it? Question number 97. The density of cement is generally taken as option A 1500 kg per meter cube, option B 1750 kg per cubic meter, option C 1250 kg per cubic meter, and option D 2000 kg per cubic meter. So friend, the density of cement is generally taken as 1500 kg per cubic meter. So according to the option we are just saying that answer is 1500 kg per cubic meter. So its value will be in the range of 1400 to 1500 kg per cubic meter, and generally frequently we take it as 1440 kg per cubic meter, and most appropriate option is 1500 kg per cubic meter in this question. So we take option A as the correct one. Let us move to question number 98. The unit weight of the RCC in kg per cubic meter is taken as option A 1200 kg per cubic meter, option B 1800 kg per cubic meter, option C 2400 kg per cubic meter, and option D 3000 kg per cubic meter. So friend, the unit weight of the RCC in kg per cubic meter is taken as 2400 kg per cubic meter. So generally, according to the option we are taking it. So if you ask if you were asked that the unit weight of the RCC as 2500, so you need to take that, isn't it? So generally for PCC we take 2400 kg per cubic meter, and for RCC we take 2500 kg per cubic meter. So we take the most relevant and most closest value that is given in the question. So if you are asked that take the unit weight of RCC, and if you are given that option 2500 kg per cubic meter, so you need to select that answer in the options. Okay, let us move to question number 99. A contractor can start the construction work with the receipt of following. So option A is award of contract, option B contract agreement, option C notice to proceed, and option D variation order. So friends, a contractor can start the construction work with the receipt of notice to proceed. Notice to proceed is a notification letter indicating that performance should begin under a construction contract. Any party that has hired another party on the project, be it an owner hiring a contractor or a contractor hiring a subcontractor, etc., might utilize a notice to proceed to indicate the recipient should start. So friend, our last question of this section, that is 100th question, is any variation in the contract should be option A fully considered including the impact and risk, option B appropriately documented, option C be formally approved, and option D all of the above. So friends, any variation in the contract should be all of the above. So answer D will be the correct answer, that is it should be fully considered, it should be appropriately documented, and it should be formally approved. So option D will be the correct answer here.
So friends, if you find this video as useful, you can like and share to your friends. And for such videos, stay tuned to this channel. Thank you. We will meet soon in another video.